Today we're talking about the Tempo 8-outlet manifold. It's a multi-outlet emitter, and you can use it to transform one of your shrub sticks or sprinkler risers into a mini drip system. I'm Dwayne Smith, your sprinkler warehouse product specialist. Let's get started. This Tempo manifold mounts on a 1/2-inch shrub stick or riser and splits the flow of water 8 different directions, and it regulates the flow rate. When you put in one of these, you're converting your traditional sprinkler to drip. Drip irrigation uses a lot less water than regular sprinkler systems. It involves delivering water only where it's needed, at the plant roots. Besides saving water, there's some added benefits. Fewer insects and weeds, less plant disease, and you save water not only by not watering areas you don't need to, but there's less runoff and evaporation as well. 1/4-inch tubing connects to each of these barbs and carries water to the root zone of your plants. These outlet barbs swivel, making it easier to run your tubing the direction you want it to go. And you can use these manifolds above ground, or you can install them underground in a small valve box. Each outlet on this manifold can be adjusted from 0 to 30 gallons per hour, which makes this perfect for situations where you've got plants near each other that have different watering needs. Depending on the size of your plants and the plant groupings, one outlet may cover one small dense grouping, or you may need one outlet per plant. For trees or large shrubs, you might need to use several outlets. This manifold comes with its own adjustment tool right here, hidden that handy. Just pop it in the screw head here and twist it to get the amount of water that you need. There's some other manifolds that we sell that are also adjustable, but what I like about this one is if something brushes against it, it's not going to change your settings. And I like the fact that you adjust it from the top, which is especially cool if it's down inside a valve box. If you lose your tool, that's okay. It adjusts with a 3/16 Allen wrench. Let's retrofit this sprinkler to a manifold. Unscrew the nozzle from the riser. Next, it's a good idea to flush the line for just a few seconds. Now with the water off, screw the manifold onto the riser. Wiggle on your poly tubing like this. Now run your microtubing to your plant. It's best to keep your microtubing runs under 8 feet. At the end, you'll want to use a stake, much like this, to keep the tubing pointed at its intended target. And in between, you'll want to use some stakes, something like these, to keep your microtubing in place. We recommend putting on one of these little diffuser or bug caps at the end of your tubing to keep dirt and creepy crawlies out of the tubing. It also helps prevent washing away dirt at your plant roots. Bug caps don't restrict flow like a regular emitter does. Once again, this is the EAB8 Tempo 8-outlet manifold. You can find it in other similar drip manifolds in the drip irrigation section on sprinklerwarehouse.com. Remember, Sprinkler Warehouse has everything for your irrigation needs, so your trees, lawn, flower beds, and gardens are lush and beautiful. And if you have any questions, chat with one of our amazing customer service agents on sprinklerwarehouse.com. They really know their stuff, and they'll get you squared away. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for helpful tips, tutorials, and general sprinkler instruction. For Sprinkler Warehouse, I'm Dwayne Smith. Professional quality, rock bottom prices.